In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from your Crypto.com account directly to your Cash App wallet. First, you'll need to log into your Crypto.com app using your credentials. Once you're inside the app, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Accounts tab. From here, select the Crypto Wallet option. This is where you'll be able to manage all of your cryptocurrency balances and transfers. Now, at the top, you'll see a transfer button. Go ahead and tap on that, and then choose the Withdraw option. After that, you'll see multiple choices for where you can withdraw your crypto. From the available options, select External Wallet, because we're transferring to another app, in this case, Cash App. On the next screen, you'll notice a plus icon in the top right corner. Tap on that to add a new withdrawal address. From the menu, select Wallet Address. At this point, the app will show you a list of different cryptocurrencies that you can send from Crypto.com. You need to scroll through and select Bitcoin. Once you choose Bitcoin, the app will ask you to enter the Bitcoin address that you want to send to. To get this address, open your Cash App. From the home screen, tap on the Bitcoin tab. If you've already set up Bitcoin in Cash App, you'll see an option to deposit Bitcoin. Tap on that, and it will display your unique Bitcoin wallet address. It usually starts with BC1, and it's very important to copy it exactly. You can either copy the address or scan the QR code if you're doing this on 2 devices. Make sure you only use this for Bitcoin. Never send other cryptocurrencies to this address. If you don't see the deposit option yet, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity by submitting your ID, but usually the process is very quick and can be approved within minutes. Once you've copied the wallet address, go back to Crypto.com, paste the Cash App Bitcoin wallet address into the address field, make sure the network selected is Bitcoin, and then save it. Double-check the address to avoid mistakes, since crypto transfers are irreversible. After confirming, the transfer will begin. Bitcoin transactions can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see your Bitcoin appear in your Cash App balance, and from there, you can hold it, sell it, or cash out to your bank account. And that's how you transfer Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Cash App. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Cash App, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below, and your first transfer up to $800 is completely free, with 0 fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part is, creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.